What's going on, guys? G2 here. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to continue and go over another product that I use for my videoing, for my vlogging, for my outdoor shoots, and for all the videos pretty much that you see. Occasionally when I'm outdoors and I'm doing my shoots, I'll start to get into that dawn or dusk scenario where the light is a little bit lower than normal and I need just an additional little bit more of an ambient light or a focus light to help kind of open up that image for you guys to see. So what I have been using is this. It's the Ulanzi VL49, and this thing has been doing wonders. Now, I'm going to precursor this and say that the test we're going to do is going to be done indoors. So if you want to see some of the videos where this has been used in those altering light conditions, check them out right here, and you can see how that works when it's outdoors and there's already a lot of light. We're going to do a little experiment in here. I'm going to use it, turn all the lights off, and let you guys see how it works in a pitch black worst case scenario. You can kind of make your decision from there. Again, this thing is really nice. I'm very happy with it so far. It is a rechargeable using a USB-C cable that just simply plugs right into the back of this right here. And it has this little screw port, which I really like because it allows me to utilize it with my Ulanzi base. So I can put it up here, or if I am using a mic, I can put it over here. It's got a bunch of different options for me to mount this. And then of course it has a screw port on the bottom, so if you just kind of want to set it up on a tripod, you can use a little adapter and set it up on the GoPro tripod like that. A bunch of different ways that you can affix that. If you're into photography and vlogging and all that stuff, you know how you can utilize this port. In addition to that, so it has these little cold shoes all over the actual unit itself. So if I wanted to, let's say, we'll go crazy here, I'm going to attach this to the cold shoe on my GoPro mount. If I wanted to add a mic, I can do there. If I wanted to do two of these, I could do two of them next to each other on the top, on the side. So it's got 3 more locations for you to add on stuff, which is, when you're doing stuff like this, it always comes in handy. So let's get into the way that this actually functions, and this is some of the best parts of this. On-off is super easy. So right here is our on and our off. We can turn it on and you can see we get that nice soft kind of glow to it. So you can see here it'll kind of utilize for highlighting, for taking away shadows, for things like that. It really does a really well job, and you can see it is super bright in here already. Not adding this, if I flip this around, you would see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lights already on top of this. So this is able to defeat those, and you can still see that light hitting me. And that, by the way, is on the lowest setting. So right here, I'm going to do this so I don't blind myself. We have our adjustable brightness right here. So we can go 1, 2, all the way up to 5, which is our highest setting. We can bring that all the way down to the lowest setting as well. They have this mode switch, and people have been a little bit wrong in the way that they're describing this. So what this M switch does is it changes what shows up here. So in this case, we have it set up to show us the brightness setting of the actual lamp. Now if we tap that M, it's going to switch it now to the battery. So you can see how much battery is left. So we have a full charge right here. So depending on what you want to look at, if you are paying attention to the brightness, or you're more important, the battery charge level is more important to you, you can click that M and it'll adjust what these little LEDs show. So pretty cool. Lets you know whether you're going to run out of battery. So what I've found on this, I've yet to drain the battery. I mean, I charge it before I go out. I actually, to be perfectly honest, just stick it in my car charger and just charge it on my way up to the range where I do my videos if I know I'm going to use it. A full charge from dead takes about 90 minutes, give or take, maybe a little longer, 2 hours. I've yet to completely drain this. So the only time I've completely drained this was when I immediately, first day I got it, I turned this thing on and I just let it run out to calibrate the battery and start a brand new full charge from a dead battery, which I suggest you do with all of your battery operated stuff. Don't just start using it or charge from where that current battery is. Run the battery dead all the way and then charge it fully, and you're going to get a better life out of those batteries anyway. Like I said, it has not died on me yet when I've needed it. And in the event that you need to charge in a pinch, it's USB-C, so one, it charges quick, and two, you can use a power bank. You can use your cigarette lighter in your car. You can even tether off of your phone if you have that capability as well. So it's really easy to charge. USB-C makes it really convenient. So let's get into what you guys want to see, the actual light. So I'm going to set up my mount here. Okay, so what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to kill all of the lights in here. So I have everything off right now except for one little light. It's basically like this light right here that I just keep to turn on and off my working light, so to speak. But we're going to turn this guy on now, and you can see what we have. So right here, this is on the lowest setting, directly in front of me. You can see it's casting a slight shadow over here because of the way that we're situated. And if we square ourselves up in front of that camera, we should get rid of that. Now, as we increase the brightness, this is on 2. This is on 3. This right now is on 4 setting. And now we have this on the highest setting. So you can see this is a lot of light. It's actually hurting my eyes right now going directly into this the way that it is. But it is basically, I am in the foreground at this point. So you could see it's probably too much light, if I'm being honest. The perfect, I think, for here would probably be 3 in this case. So right about here, it's giving me tracers. But yeah, it's a powerful little light. And if you already have light established, it helps fill in some of those areas, those dark areas that you may have. If you're undercover or you have shade, things like that, really helps fill in that light. So I'm sorry, I got to turn this off because looking at it it's kind of giving me a headache right now. Okay, so I'm back. I have my regular lighting set up now. But yeah, a lot of light in a really little package. I would say this is about, I don't know, 5 to 6 ounces, so not heavy at all, but puts out a really good amount of light. Also good as a task light in the event that you need something to look through. This will light up pretty well. So yeah, I would definitely have you guys, if you're interested in a light for your photography, vlogging, definitely give this guy a look. With the rechargeable ability here as USB-C, the multiple cold shoes on this, the adjustability of the brightness settings, and this nice soft that they have on top of it, it really helps it out. Let me know in the comments below if you guys use this, if you guys checked it out. Again, this is another product from Ulanzi that I have been working with. I am not paid by them. I'm not endorsed by them. I get nothing for free by them. I just really like the way that their products have been performing and working for me. So let me know in the comments below if you're using it. Maybe you have a better light. Let me know. I'm always up to checking out new stuff. So until next time, guys, make sure that you're practicing safe weapons handling at all times and treating every weapon as if it was loaded. God bless America. G2 out.